Hi, it's Nickest. Welcome to my affiliate marketing info channel. In this video, I'm going to show you this as a product called PLR Profits. So, what is this exactly the product PLR Profit is all about? PLR, if you are know what is the idea, what is PLR? PLR is stand for private label wine. They also have you can buy this product and you can sell it as your own name, photo, website, and also put your site. Is also you can sell it anything you want, any price you want, and keep 100% commission. So if you are interested in this, how to then make money in another way using the private label wire, please stay with me until the end of the video, because I also have some exclusive bonus that you help to boost your result, and I also have some exclusive this bonus there, and also will help you to make more money. So if you are familiar with people private label wire, and some of the problem you have come in your mind is there's tons of crappy PLR particle. There's also you can buy it for cheap, but their quality is very low. You want to give it a way to build your list, and also you can try to give it away for to increase your conversion, your sales conversion. But no one will buy it because they are low quality. So there's also the problem how you can get profit from this PLR particle. So in this, and you can see that this is also very short sales page type of them being overworked, struggling to get sales, problem generating traffic, get PLR profits today. What is the benefit when you get it there? You will get generate unlimited traffic. You can drive massive sales, boost your authority status. This is also to build your brand, become your authorities in any niche, deliver huge profit, create powerful engagement, cut down on your workflow. And you can see this is a sales page that's very short yet. When you tap into what can PLR profit can do for you, you can power to tap into the power of PLR article for one step closer to set up an internet empire. This is also the dream of the most internet marketer. With just a little creativity, you can use PLR to learn you consistent income 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is also what is the benefit you can save. This is also the creator, two of the creator. The PLR profit you will get. This is not easy to create consistent, engaging content. This is also you create content is king, but if you want to create a content, this is also again engaging. You maybe have struggling how to build it, but by using high quality, this is all high quality PLR article, it means you can get target customers that are not only hunger for your content, but are also easy to convert into recurring buyer. You also when you grab this, you can have the 4 exclusive bonus. Bonus number 1 ultimate 10-day list building guide, extremely powerful step-by-step email listing building course. Bonus number 2 2021 traffic geniuses, how to get target traffic from social media creators for massive result in 2021. Bonus number 3 you will get my traffic dominator and ultimate traffic automator training that covers most of free traffic sources. Bonus number 4 Lion List, a lead generation course that help you to get a high quality buyer list, which absolutely free. Buyer list is much variable. If you want to build a list, if you give away something for free, but if you build a buyer list, they have, because they are vertical, there is also to increase your sales conversion is much more variable than freebie email list. And you will get an phone, and also you will come with 100% commission, 100% money back guarantee. with 30-day money back guarantee. So there is also I also have some exclusive bonus that help you to boost your result. So please stay with me. I also reveal that to you what my exclusive bonus for you. The bonus number 1, you will get about the top 7 profitable ways to make money with private label right ebook products on content. Then you can implementing starting today. Bonus number 2, you will get a free website that you can make money fast by selling PLR particle. How to find, edit, and sell private label rights products to make money. Bonus number 3, you will get about where you can buy a lot of high quality private label right products for cheap, and you can rebrand as your own and resell. Bonus number 4, you will get how to turn PLR content into YouTube video. Create video with private label right content, and you can make a whole video series with private label article. Bonus number 5, you will get a free no-cost traffic apps you can get started with today. Bonus number 6, you will get a free report traffic business. This is also learn how to explore your traffic through viral social sharing strategy. It's the free traffic, how get viral traffic. Bonus number 7, you will get 15 KDP books that make $100. You also have a 50 different KDP low contact books, how you can make $100 per day with no design skill. Bonus number 8, my last bonus, you will get 5 Amazon idea, 5 Amazon KDP low contact books idea that are lightening the Amazon charts. And you will get all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior test automatically. Simply click the link below in description. The first link, you will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, when you practice any blue button, and you will redirect to the sales page. When you purchase the front end, you will get all my exclusive bonus, 8 exclusive bonus delivered to you inside the Warrior test automatically. So, and I also reveal that to you what is inside the member service. This inside the member service just a video course to teach you how you can use PLR to make profit. Let's take a look inside the member service. Okay, inside the member service, PLR profit, you will get 6 chapter, and also included 40 lessons. There's also a course structure, and you can see there's also included private PLR basic. There's also included 2 lessons, marketer guide to PLR, common PLR mistake to avoid. The next section is also included 6 chapter. Chapter 2, using a PLR, where to find PLR proper. Chapter 3, how to edit your PL books. There's also how to edit your PDF book. How to make your PLR content unique and fresh. How to promote your affiliate link in a clever way. Chapter 4, how to design your Amazon book. Design your Amazon book cover with KDP template and Canva. Chapter 5, fantastic bonus, and I mentioned in the sales page. Ultimate 10-day list building guide, traffic dominator, and ultimate traffic domination that covers most of free traffic. Lion list, a list generation course to help you to get a high quality buyer traffic, which is absolutely free. 2021 traffic genius target target is also the target traffic from social media created for massive result in 2021. The last chapter, interested to know publish your first book PLR on Amazon KDP, as I mentioned before, and my bonus included the 7 and the last 2 bonus and also related to you the KDP. This is also related to this platform. And then the next section is the free traffic sources to promote your PLR. And then finally, complete rise of the PL profit. You can compete, and also there's also something that you are interested in. This free lesson you can also to know more about this. This is also a complete course will teach you how to find and PLR profit, how to monetize your profit in PDF, and also how to promote it, publish this PR article and make profit by publishing books on Amazon KDP platform. So, and also this is also a very powerful way you can, when you know about this is also another way how you can make money with PR article, because PR article is not a very expensive that you can just get started today with little less small capital. So what is so lastly I also will recap I also will reveal to you what are their price and upsell as well. So please stay with me. Okay, just to the front end, as you can see, this is the front end. Is also the page one, the profit that is called $12.95. This also included there is also what I've show you how you can do it. That is also just for and 6 chapter and also 40 lessons. That is also of them. That is a video course. You will get just for one-time payment, $12.95. Upsell number one, that is publish your books on Amazon KDP $27. That they also have downsell $70. You can grab it. I highly recommend you grab it because you will know how to create a KDP account for Kindle publishing. How to verify your book's ID, make it to top seller on Amazon. 90% of people fail for book cover, and you will know how to design a fantastic book cover. This is also a very important. As you can see, is all if your book cover is not eye-catching, then you cannot let it to catch your visitor, the buyer again, and the buyer again attention. Finally, knowing how to publish your book on KDP and store. Upsell number two, features traffic sources to promote your PLR. $70 just for downsell $57 because the traffic is the most important thing. You will know how to drive specific traffic level to promote your PR article. This is also the most important thing you should know. So I highly recommend you can grab it just for $57. This is no brainer. Upsell number three, you will get a complete white of the PLR article, the PR profit $67. They also come with a downsell $47. You can sell it as your own and keep 100% commission. But in my opinion, I highly recommend you should grab upsell number one and upsell number two. Upsell number one $70. You will help you how to publish your successfully on Amazon KDP. Upsell number two just traffic. Traffic is the most important. Just for $57. Pick up upsell number one and upsell number two is help you to succeed on publish your first book on Amazon KDP. So lastly, I also recap what my exclusive bonus for you. Bonus number one, you will get the top 7 profitable ways to make money with PR product. Bonus number two, free website help you to make money fast with PR particle product. Bonus number three, where you can buy a lot of high quality particle very cheaper. Bonus number four, you will get how to turn PR article into YouTube video. Bonus number five, you will get a free no cost traffic apps. Bonus number four, bonus number six, you will get traffic with how to full viral traffic through social media. Bonus number 7 is also exclusive 50 KDP books. How you can make money with $100 with 50 KDP books. My last bonus 5 Amazon idea. You will get all my exclusive bonus delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus. Simply click the link below in description. The first link you will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, when you click this any blue button, this blue button will direct you to the sales page of the PLR Profit. When you go to the PLR Profit sales page and you purchase the front end, you will get my 8 exclusive bonus. If you exclusive bonus, all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus automatically before the countdown timer hits 0. So this is also what you will get. So that is also you will make money very fast with perfect labor way. Thanks for taking time to check out my PLR Profits review and bonus. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to check my other playlist. I also included multiple stream of income, make money online tips, marketing tips, marketing ideas, and also don't forget to check my description below because I have other freebie you can instantly access, included 2 training course, 2 additional training, 1 free report, and free I also included a free exclusive webshop you can register. You can pick up any one of them. All of the exclusive webshop will help you to make more money online. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also to check my description to grab your freebie. See you.